You know how smartphones usually force you to choose? You either get a phone that is slim and beautiful, or you get one with a massive battery that feels like you're carrying a power bank in your pocket. But every once in a while, a company tries to break that rule. And this phone right here is trying to do exactly that. This is the Infinix Note Edge, and what makes it interesting is not just the specs on paper, it's the idea behind it. Somehow, Infinix managed to fit a 6500 mAh battery inside a phone that is barely over 7mm thick. If you know anything about smartphones, that combination alone should make you pause for a second. So naturally, I had to spend some time with it. The first thing that surprised me when I picked up the Note Edge was how slim it feels. Phones with batteries this big are usually chunky and dense, but this one actually feels closer to what you would expect from a modern premium smartphone. The back design also plays a huge role here. The finish has this clean, polished look that reflects light nicely and makes the phone feel more expensive than it actually is. It does not scream budget phone. And then you turn the phone around and you see the display. The Note Edge comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 1.5K resolution. So on paper, that actually sounds good. But the thing that really stands out immediately is the curved edges. Curved displays used to be something you only saw on expensive flagship phones. Seeing it on a phone in this price range is actually quite surprising. And the display itself is genuinely good. Colors look vibrant, scrolling feels smooth. Because of the 120Hz refresh rate, and brightness is strong enough to stay visible outdoors. Watching videos or browsing social media on the screen is a very comfortable experience. Inside the phone, you get the MediaTek Dimensity 7100 processor. It is built on a 6nm process designed to balance performance and efficiency. In everyday use, the phone feels smooth and very responsive. Apps will open quickly and switching between them feels effortless. Even when you push the phone with a little gaming, it kind of holds up surprisingly well. It's not trying to be a flagship processor, but it is more than capable for daily use. You also get 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. For most people, that is more than enough space for apps, photos, and videos. It's a very practical setup for a daily driver. Now, when it comes to cameras, the Note Edge keeps things fairly simple. On the back, you get a 50MP main camera lens and a front where there is a 13MP selfie camera. It's not trying to compete with flagship, let's be honest. But in good lighting, the photos are actually quite solid. Colors look natural and details are sharp enough for everyday photography. For social media or casual photos, it does the job very well. But the real highlight of this phone is the battery. A 6500 mAh battery inside the phone this slim is genuinely impressive. Most smartphones today sit somewhere between 4500 and 5000 mAh. That extra capacity makes a real difference in everyday use. For many people, this phone can easily stretch into 2 full days on a single charge. And that alone is something a lot of users will appreciate. Infinix is also introducing something they call the self-repair battery technology. Now, the battery is designed to maintain about 80% its capacity even after around 2000 charge cycles. In simple terms, it should age slower than most smartphone batteries. Charging is also reasonably quick for a battery this large. The phone supports 45W fast charging. That means going from empty to full takes roughly about an hour. On the software side, the phone runs Android 16 with Infinix's XOS 16 interface. The system includes customization features, smoother animations, and some AI-powered tools. Overall, the experience feels noticeably more refined than older versions. Infinix is also promising 3 years of Android updates and 5 whole years of security updates. That's actually quite solid for a phone in this price category. It adds a bit more confidence for long-term use. So after spending some time with the Infinix Note Edge, the question becomes, who is this phone really for? And the answer is actually quite simple. It's for people who want a phone that looks premium and lasts very long on a single charge. Now, that combination of a slim design, curved AMOLED display, and a massive battery is something you never actually really see together with this price segment. It may not be the most powerful phone out there, but trust me, for a little over $200, this one is one of the more interesting ones. We will talk more, Charlie.